Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Comftable Productions. In this week's video, we're going to take that box of BC coilovers and we're going to chuck them in my yellow 32. It has been a hot minute since I've worked on this car. I've been dailying it all this week to break in the clutch and the gearbox, and I'm mad keen to get some suspension on it that doesn't feel like absolute ass all the time. Well, let's do it. You. Alrighty, let's get her up in the air. At least we didn't have to go up ridiculously high. Coilover. Now we just got to get in here, get the top undone. Coilover. Yes sir, this is our old coilover. As you can see from the rubber there, a little bit shot and definitely a bit older. Not going to be throwing these out by any means. They still can probably be refurbished, I guess. These, I believe, were just set on like the hardest setting they had. And whilst they weren't horrible, they kind of were just not good. So not going in the bin, but definitely not going back on the drift car. And then we got these boys. Obviously already opened. I couldn't leave them in the shed without opening them. I believe that is a rear. Look at that shine. And the best part is the fact that where this suspension adjustment is there, these guys have it on the top. Yeah, you can literally do it from inside the boot. So win-win for BC. Chucking them in. It's gonna be like the easiest install I think I've ever done. That's one down. Like the height I would like it to be without any load on it. So I'm curious to see how low it goes. I don't think it dipped that much, honestly. I think that's pretty much good. It's got to settle in, obviously. Yeah, not bad. Rear's installed, how good. That's 4 coilovers fully installed. Fuck you. 13, 17, 14, 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17, 8, 17, 12, 13, 12, 13. Perfect.